Temu. They surprised me.
Hi guys, welcome to an unboxing video. I got some items from Temu and I want to unbox it. I've opened it, I'm not going to lie. I ordered this hair bottle, because I want to be using it to apply oil to my hair. Then this scalp massager. This one is exactly what I ordered. So I ordered a mirror. The way they packaged everything, like, because it's a mirror, they put it inside a carton and they use this one to also cover it so that it will not break on the way, which is very good. I like the way they wrapped everything. So the only thing I am not satisfied is with the size. Like, seriously, this is too small. Too small. This is not what I was expecting. Like, if you see the picture of this mirror, I'm going to put the picture so that you guys will see. This is what the picture looks like, and this is what I am getting. Like, it's way too small, too small. It comes with this other thing that you fix it. It's fine, I'm not going to lie, it's looking nice and the rest of it. Something like this is how it's going to be, but it's too small. I think the mistake is from my own end because they put the measurements as in the size and the dimension there, but I didn't know what the measurement was going to look like. But I was expecting it to be bigger than this, like way bigger than this. But it's not bad though, but just at the size, I'm not satisfied with the size. This potato masher, because I want to be making mashed potatoes. I want to try out mashed potatoes for the first time, so I got this potato masher. Another thing that I am so dissatisfied with is this towel hanger. I'm also going to put a picture so that you guys will see what it's looking like. Like, this thing is just for small towel, like the hand towel hanger. I wanted to use it in the bathroom to be hanging towel, but I don't know what I'm going to even use this thing to do. It's too small, too small. Like, what size of hanger towel will this thing contain? See, it's just too small. I got this flower. I like this one. See, the flower is cute. It's small. See the way they did it. So nice. I got this foam pouch for my friend. She asked me to buy it for her because she didn't see her pouch here. So we saw it on Temu and I decided to get it for her. I got two, one in black and one in purple for her. I got nails. I got 3 different nails. I got this. I'm going to put the picture so that you guys will see everything. I got this. I think I like this one more. This one. I like this. And this. I got this. I got nail glue. I got 2 of this nail glue. I got this 2-way sticker. I want to use it to hang something in the bathroom. The one I had, it got spoiled, so I just got it to hang something in the bathroom. This reading lamp, this rechargeable lamp, I wanted this one because there are sometimes that there won't be light and I just want to read and there's no light, so I got this one. And this is my favorite of all the things I got. This is exactly what it should to be like. I like this one. See, it has 3 lights, 3 type of lights. This is this one, this is warm, and this is just touch. I like this one. I like this one. This one is my best buy, like best buy. I like this one so much. You can just use it to read. You can put pen, anything. You can put your fan here. I like this one. Basically the things I got. This is my first time ordering from Temu. I'm definitely going to be going back, and this time again I'm going to be using tape to measure so that I will be sure. There is nothing like a free gift. I didn't get any free gift. I had coupon, but I didn't use the coupon. I don't know why. I think I didn't really pay attention to the free gift or to the coupon. I just went ahead, picked what I wanted to pick, and I paid. But maybe next time, when in my next order, I'm going to pay attention to the coupon or to the free gift. So I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.